Pluto square Sun natally. This aspect tells a tale that points to a lot of soul growth in this lifetime. Someone that goes through a lot of pain and hurdles and is cleaning up the paternal bloodline as they get guided back to themselves, back into their heart and aligning with their soul. If Pluto is transiting your natal sun and you have hard aspects natally, you can expect a deep cleanse in that area in your chart. If it's in a water house, a dark night of the soul and the ego death is key for your soul's growth, and a rebirth is indicated. This tells a beautiful tale, all preparation for a life of service to humanity.